Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your premier destination for sophisticated outdoor enhancements. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we're diving into an incredibly versatile and beautiful way to enhance your outdoor space. Fence garden planters. If you've got a fence, you've got a canvas, and we're going to show you how to turn it into a living work of art. First off, what exactly is a fence garden planter design? Simply put, it's the creative integration of planters directly onto or alongside your existing fence. Instead of just a boundary, your fence becomes an active part of your garden, offering additional growing space and visual interest. This can range from simple hanging pots to elaborate built-in systems, transforming a plain fence into a vibrant, vertical garden. It's about maximizing space, especially in smaller yards, and adding layers of beauty and greenery where you might least expect it. Now, why should you consider adding fence garden planters to your outdoor oasis? The benefits are abundant. Firstly, they're fantastic for space saving. In urban areas or smaller gardens where ground space is limited, going vertical is a game changer. You can grow herbs, flowers, or even vegetables without taking up precious square footage. Secondly, they enhance privacy and aesthetics. A living wall of plants can soften the harsh lines of a fence, providing a more natural and appealing barrier. They can also effectively block undesirable views, adding to your personal sanctuary. Thirdly, fence planters offer improved air quality and can even reduce noise pollution in your garden by absorbing sound. Lastly, they make gardening more accessible. For those with mobility issues or who prefer not to bend down as much, vertical planters bring the garden up to a comfortable height, making tending to your plants a breeze. So you're convinced. But how do you decorate your fence garden planters to truly make them shine? It's all about thoughtful design and plant selection. Consider the style of your fence and your overall garden aesthetic. For a modern look, sleek monochromatic planters with minimalist plant choices work wonders. If you prefer a rustic vibe, natural wood planters with overflowing cottage garden blooms would be perfect. Varying the sizes and shapes of your planters can add visual interest and dimension. Don't forget lighting. Strategically placed uplights or string lights can highlight your vertical garden at night, creating a magical ambience. And remember, the plants themselves are your primary decor. Choose a mix of textures, colors, and heights to create a dynamic and appealing display. Now let's get into the inspiration. Here are our top 10 best fence garden planter design ideas to get your creative juices flowing. One, modern wood fence with integrated planters and seating. Starting our countdown at number 1, we have this absolutely stunning modern take on a fence garden. The sleek, horizontal wooden slats of the fence provide a warm, contemporary backdrop. Notice the brilliant use of white, rendered raised planters that seamlessly integrate seating, creating a functional and stylish outdoor living space. The minimalist planting in these beds, featuring small, neatly trimmed trees and low-lying greenery, creates a sense of calm and order. This design perfectly blends architectural elements with natural beauty, proving that simplicity can be incredibly impactful. 2. Dynamic horizontal wood fence with tiered shelving. Coming in at number 2, this design is a masterclass in combining modern aesthetics with clever vertical gardening. The rich, reddish-brown horizontal wood planks of the fence are beautifully illuminated by subtle integrated lighting, creating a warm glow. What truly stands out are the varying lengths of built-in shelves or narrow planters, artfully arranged to create a dynamic sculptural effect. These shallow shelves are perfect for showcasing small trailing plants and grasses, adding pockets of greenery without overwhelming the clean lines of the fence. This design offers both beauty and a unique way to display smaller plant collections. 3. Sleek black fence with modern planter boxes. At number 3, we see a sophisticated and bold statement with this dark, almost black, horizontal composite fence. The deep color provides a striking contrast to the lush green foliage of the tall trees beside it and the pristine white gravel below. The real stars here are the 3 matching black square planters, perfectly aligned and filled with elegant white flowering plants. This design demonstrates how a monochromatic fence can be elevated by carefully chosen, minimalist planters and a pop of a single flower color, creating a chic and modern garden border. 4. Vertical living wall on a wood slat fence. For number 4, prepare to be inspired by this fantastic example of a vertical living wall, integrated with a beautiful horizontal wood slat fence. The fence itself has a rich, natural wood tone that acts as a warm backdrop. What's truly captivating are the vertical fabric planting pockets, overflowing with a variety of lush green plants, creating dramatic hanging trails and vibrant foliage. These vertical planters are spaced out along the fence, creating distinct green columns, while a striking stone water feature adds an element of sound and texture to the right. The patterned pebble pathway in the foreground further enhances the garden's playful and natural appeal. 5. Rustic wood fence with lattice and raised garden beds. Our 5th spot goes to a classic and charming fence garden design. This wooden fence features a traditional lattice top, allowing for climbing plants to naturally intertwine and soften its appearance. The rustic charm is enhanced by the vibrant green climbing vines that are trained gracefully up the fence posts and along the lattice, creating a lovely green tapestry. Below, a paved patio area hosts a cozy seating arrangement with woven chairs and a small table, inviting relaxation. To the left, a large raised wooden planter box is overflowing with lush, leafy greens, perfect for a kitchen garden right by your patio. This design perfectly balances functional space with natural beauty. 6. Contemporary horizontal fence with large planter boxes, equals. At number 6, we have a wonderfully harmonious garden setting that blends natural elements with structured design. The warm-toned horizontal slatted wooden fence provides a sense of privacy and a beautiful backdrop for the tall, slender bamboo plants growing behind the gray rectangular planters. These large, minimalist planters create a clean, contemporary line along the back of a wooden deck. The foreground features a gravel path with large, light-colored stepping stones, leading through a lush bed of diverse green and flowering plants. This design showcases how large planters can create a strong visual statement and integrate different garden zones seamlessly. 7. Natural wood fence with climbing vines and lush garden bed. Number 7 presents a serene and inviting outdoor space. The horizontal wooden slatted fence, with its natural finish, serves as a beautiful and unobtrusive boundary. Climbing vines are elegantly trained along the fence, adding organic texture and greenery. Below, a rich and diverse garden bed flourishes with a variety of plants, including ornamental grasses, hostas, and small flowering perennials, creating a lush, layered look. To the right, a stylish hanging egg chair invites you to relax and enjoy the tranquility of this well-designed garden, which also features a warm wooden deck, completing the cozy, natural aesthetic. 8. Modern dark lattice fence above a stone wall with vibrant flowers. For our 8th idea, we see a striking and bold fence design that acts as a decorative element itself. These tall, dark gray or black wooden fence panels feature a distinct slatted, almost lattice-like pattern, creating a modern and architectural look. They stand atop a textured stone wall, adding another layer of visual interest. In front of the fence, a vibrant and colorful perennial garden bursts with an array of flowers in shades of yellow, white, and pink, along with various green foliage. This design demonstrates how a strong fence can anchor a garden, allowing the vibrant plantings to truly pop against its structured backdrop. 9. Artistic laser-cut metal fence and gate with abstract patterns. Taking the 9th spot is a truly unique and artistic fence and gate design. This contemporary metal fence and matching gate feature an intricate, laser-cut pattern of organic, bubble-like perforations. The dark, sleek material contrasts beautifully with the light, textured walls it's set into, creating a modern and sophisticated entrance or boundary. The scattered circular cutouts allow glimpses of the outside, adding a playful yet elegant touch. This design is perfect for those looking for a fence that doubles as a piece of art, offering privacy with a creative flair. 10. classic black wrought iron fence with manicured hedges. And finally, at number 10, we have a classic and robust option, a traditional black wrought iron fence. This type of fence offers a timeless elegance and strong security, characterized by its upright pickets and decorative finials at the top. While it doesn't directly hold planters, it pairs incredibly well with neatly trimmed hedges, as seen here. The vibrant green hedge planted directly in front of the fence creates a lush, natural border that softens the rigid lines of the metal. This combination provides both privacy and a sophisticated aesthetic, showcasing how a simple green element can beautifully complement a sturdy fence. And there you have it, 10 incredible fence garden planter design ideas to spark your imagination. Whether you're working with a small urban balcony or a sprawling backyard, incorporating vertical planters into your fence design can truly transform your outdoor space. They add beauty, maximize growing potential, and create a unique focal point that will impress everyone. If you found these fence planters garden ideas inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more tips, tricks, and beautiful garden inspiration. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. We'd love to hear about your small garden adventures in the comments below. What are you growing? What are your favorite space-saving tips? Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video.